Thank you for choosing Northwest Missouri State University's dual credit. This short video will show you how to create an account through the Dynamic Forms software. Dynamic Forms houses the Northwest Missouri State University dual credit application and enrollment form. The online application can be accessed through imprinted information or emailed information from your high school teacher or counselor. You will note a registration flyer may have been distributed with a QR code as indicated on your screen, or a hyperlink has been given to you by your high school counselor or teacher. Use either of those to access the login screen you see here. On the bottom part of the login screen, you will notice the Create New Account button. If you have never accessed Dynamic Forms for Northwest Missouri State University dual credit in the past, you'll want to create a new account at this time. Click on this hyperlink. To create a new account, it will have several form fields for you to complete. The first is the username field. We highly recommend that you use your personal email account as your username. Please note on your screen there are restrictions for the passwords that you will need to create. Please enter a password that follows all of those restrictions and then confirm the password. Next, you'll complete your first and last name. Scrolling through the remainder of the form, you will note it does ask for your email address. Please enter the same email address as you entered in the username box above. Again, we recommend that you use your personal email account. You will also want to set up your secret question and secret question answer in this portion of the form. This is going to allow you to reset your password at a future date if you happen to forget your password. Please note you will want to save your username and password for future semesters of enrollment in Northwest Missouri State University's dual credit program. Click on the Create Account button at this time. Once you've created the account, the web browser should pop up with this Verify Your Email Account information box. What this is indicating is that in order to complete the profile setup, you will need to go to your personal email account that you indicated on the form and find a message that looks like this. It's coming from notify@ngwebsolutions.com. It will have a hyperlink for confirming your email account embedded within the text and body of the email. You will want to click on the Confirm Email Account to complete the creating account process for Dynamic Forms. Please note, if you do not see an email from notify@ngwebsolutions.com in your email inbox, please check your spam folders or junk mail folders. After you've clicked the Confirm Email button, it should pop up to say that your account has been verified. You will now want to revisit the QR code or hyperlink provided from your high school to get to the Application and Enrollment form login screen again. On this screen, this time you'll want to enter the username or email address that you put into your Dynamic Forms account, as well as the password on the login screen, and click on Login. At this time, it'll direct you to the Application and Enrollment form to be completed. If you have any questions or need any additional assistance, feel free to reach out to the Northwest Dual Credit Office at dualcr@nwmissouri.edu for more details.